Hi, I'm Sudhindra Rao. I go by Sud. I'm a graduate student in David Wilson's lab. I have a background in zoology and general biology. I've been in this program of evolution, ecology, behavior for 2 years now. And we are working on a project on human health from an evolutionary perspective. The Paleolithic diet limits the relevant time to get your food or to get the food that gives you beneficial effects. It limits the time to a period of 2 million years. But our understanding is slightly different from that. We recognize that foods that have occurred after agricultural process, after agriculture, may still be beneficial for you provided that you modify them through certain domestic processing methods like soaking, germination, or pressure cooking. So that's where we differ from the traditional understanding of a Paleolithic diet. So we do not limit ourselves to the 2 million year period of the Paleolithic era, but we just call that environment as the adaptively relevant environment, the ancestral environment. Now, we had a suite of traits, a suite of behaviors that were shaped by evolution and natural selection, evolution by natural selection. Those traits were very adaptive in the ancestral environment to get the food that was available to us. Now, if you take those traits and put them in a modern environment, which has been variously labeled the obesogenic environment, if you change the environment and if you still use the same set of traits that evolved by natural selection in a different environment, then that results in a mismatch, because you try to go for foods that were not as prominent in the ancestral environment. The liking for sugar turns detrimental. The liking for fat turns detrimental in the modern environment. So those traits that were very adaptive in the past become maladaptive in the present, and that in effect is mismatch with respect to diet-related human health.